Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A71, and today I'll show you how to set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So number one, let's start by pulling down the notification panel, and where you see the Do Not Disturb mode, you can simply tap on it to enable it. Then it will be immediately in effect by whatever the default settings are on it. So like that, and now it's on. Hold the option, the toggle, and it will take you to the settings of it, where you can customize it further. So I just disable it for now. Number one, you can turn on a schedule, tap right here, and you have one already pre-made called sleeping, which, well, self-explanatory, it's for sleeping. So activates, as you can see, at 10 p.m. and ends at 7 a.m. and you can enable this and keep it as it is, or you can actually tap on it, change it to whatever you like. So for instance, you can disable Saturday and Sunday if you want, save it, change the times, whatever. Now I'm actually gonna create a new one here by tapping on the plus, as you just seen right here. I can name it whatever, it doesn't really matter what the name is. And then you have all the days of the week, so you can disable which ones you don't want. I'm gonna create a work Do Not Disturb mode. So let's go and set the start time to be at 9. There we go, tap on done. And then end time 5. And there we go. So from 9 to 5, tap on save. And as you can see, after you tap on save, it gets immediately activated. And we can go back and we can customize it how it functions as well. So tap on allow exceptions. And here you have a bunch of options. So calls from, that basically allows you to choose who can call you when the Do Not Disturb mode is active. Basically who's being excluded from that mode. So you have an option no one, which seems to be set by default, which will just block everybody. Then you have favorite contacts, which you would actually have to add some contacts to favorite. Contacts only, which anybody who's saved on your phone, and all would defeat the purpose of Do Not Disturb mode. So choose whichever one suits you. For instance, I'm going to stick with favorites. Messages has the same option, so also choose the ones that you want. I'm going to again go with favorites. Then this is a handy feature, although in this case on the Samsung it's not that great. Basically, repeat caller allows a caller to reach you even when your Do Not Disturb mode is active, assuming they call you twice within a 15-minute time period. So the first time they call, they get blocked. The second time they call, they actually will go through and you can hear it and see that someone is calling you. But in my opinion, this is good as an emergency. If someone is really trying to reach you, they usually spam call. But then 15-minute period, sometimes a bank can call you twice within 10 minutes. So this kind of seems a little bit too long in my opinion. So shorten it to like 5 minutes, that would have been way better. And then moving a little bit lower, you will have alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, and reminders. Each one of them basically is an exception. So what it means that when your Do Not Disturb mode is active, they will still be able to ring. So if you want sounds from any of these, just check them on and you're all good to go. And once you're done setting up everything here, you can just go back and you'll see that the Do Not Disturb mode should be active right now. Or actually it doesn't look like it is. Let's see. Not sure if it's gonna show up here as that it's active or not, but right now we're in a time period that it should be working. And based on like how it is set, it basically turns on at 9 a.m., turns off at 5 p.m. and then favorite contacts can message and call me and stuff like that. So this is basically how you can go through the setup of this Do Not Disturb mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.